Starting around the 2nd of June 2023, Stepn is exchanging at 26 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.46% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Exceptionally, in spite of prevalent thinking, GMT by and large has a very all-out market cap of $222,965,846 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,639,574. So GMT for the most part has an exceptionally complete market cap of $222,965,846 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $19,639,574 in a significant manner. This explicitly makes Stepn positioning at 132 in the digital currency market in a significant way. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Stepn cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Stepn basically be extremely worth in 2023, or so they essentially thought? Is Stepn a wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner? Will GMT cost generally outperform its record-breaking pretty high in a truly significant manner? These by and large are our Stepn cost expectations for GMT's future, which is very huge. Stepn value expectation 2023 as per the Stepn figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross an essentially normal value level of 35 cents. The normal fundamentally least value worth of Stepn toward the finish of the truly current year ought to, all things considered, be 34 cents in an unobtrusive way. Besides, GMT can basically arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of 38 cents in an especially huge manner. GMT value figure May 2023. The Stepn estimate for May 2023 expects that the GMT may especially arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of 29 cents with a fundamentally least cost of around 25 cents. Discussing the typical value, GMT can explicitly stretch around 28 cents for May, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Stepn value expectation June 2023. Stepn cost is supposed to reach between 28 cents to 30 cents in June 2023, while the genuinely normal cost of GMT for the June truly remains around 29 cents. Stepn value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Stepn in a real sense is somewhat anticipated to sort of arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of 30 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of 31 cents and at least 28 cents in a very significant manner. Stepn value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Stepn could stretch around 32 cents. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in August 2023 is 30 cents with a sort of typical cost of 31 cents incredibly. GMT value figure September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Stepn fundamentally is supposed to arrive at a sort of least value worth of 31 cents, which most certainly is very critical. The GMT cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an especially most extreme cost of 34 cents with the all things considered normal cost around 32 cents, or so they especially thought. Stepn value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of Stepn generally is most certainly anticipated to truly arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of 33 cents, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of 35 cents and a very least of 32 cents in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Stepn value expectation November 2023. Stepn cost in every practical sense is supposed to especially reach between 33 cents to 37 cents in November 2023, while the very normal cost of GMT for the November stays around 34 cents. GMT value estimate December 2023. The Stepn conjecture for December 2023 expects that the GMT may arrive at a most extreme worth of 38 cents with an exceptionally least cost of around 34 cents, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Discussing the kind of typical value, GMT can generally stretch around 35 cents for December in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn most certainly passed value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been diminished by 0.32% in its ongoing worth, in spite of mainstream thinking. Assuming we look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the GMT with yesterday, you can essentially see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. Stepn truly is confronting an all things considered difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins. The GMT explicitly is down to nearly 3.23% in the by and large most recent 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for kind of past truly couple of days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for exceptionally, however. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, which shows that STPN value expectation 2023 as per the STPN gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost for the most part is supposed to basically cross in every practical sense normal value level of 35 cents. The normal least value worth of STPN toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to essentially be 34 cents, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT in every way that really matters diminished by 35.624%, killing an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of 14 cents from its fundamentally current worth, showing how this especially makes STPN kind of positioning at 132 in the digital money market. Or so they, all things considered, thought. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a very decent purchase and open door for by and large speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change generally is near 54.99%, and the cost circled from a sort of least genuinely normal cost of 51 cents to in every way that really matters greatest normal cost of 59 cents in the beyond 90 days, which explicitly is very critical. In fundamentally most recent 4 months, STPN in every way that really matters has shown a developing pattern, or so they thought. In this way, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, as per the kind of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of STPN for the most part is expanded from 4 months in an exceptionally significant manner. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost. The coin fundamentally is up by 0.76%, with the especially most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin sort of was around 29 cents and the especially least kind of typical value of was around 28 cents, most certainly beyond 4 months. STPN value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will be STPN genuinely worth in 2023? The GMT cost basically is gauged to arrive at an especially greatest degree of 38 cents with extremely least cost of 34 cents toward the finish of 2023. Does STPN truly have a future, which is genuinely huge? As far as value, STPN explicitly has a remarkable exceptionally potential to arrive at new levels. By and large, in opposition to mainstream thinking, as a matter of fact, it is gauged that GMT will increment in esteem, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by genuinely unambiguous specialists and business investigators. STPN can basically raise a ruckus around town the most exorbitant cost of 59 cents till 2030, or so they by and large thought. Is STPN genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they for the most part thought? STPN's worth truly is supposed to especially keep on growing, as deficiency will in general energize cost ascendant in every way that really matters significant way. If it's not too much trouble, note, there in a real sense is a gamble to any interest.